Why do welding accessory companies make their bags and other gear not fireproof? If you ask me, it's pretty stupid. Although maybe I should have moved the bag further away from where I was welding. But these companies also know that their gear is going to be in welding workshops, same as they are for welding. And if you haven't seen this bag before, it is for a welding helmet. And a new bag would cost me between 140 and 200 Australian dollars. So I just decided, fuck it, why not just make a new strap for it, eh? Now that I've put another handle on it, should I do the other side so it looks nicer, or leave it as is? Comment below.